Understanding the history of the variable valve timing VVT solenoid and its related oil control valve OCV will be helpful in comprehending how this device works in today's cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Engine performance and efficiency are significantly impacted by variable valve timing solenoids, also known as oil control valves. VVT solenoids increase power and fuel efficiency by regulating when valves open and close. However, they may eventually fail, and let's examine some of the most typical signs of a malfunctioning oil control valve, the reasons behind it, and the cost of replacing the VVT solenoid. But just before we start, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Rough idle. The VVT system normally engages at higher RPMs or when driving up a hill or in other load-bearing situations. However, excessive engine oil may be introduced into the VVT system due to a malfunctioning oil control valve or VVT solenoid, which can cause rough idling, stalling, or simply subpar engine performance overall. Poor gas mileage and increased fuel efficiency is one advantage of variable valve timing, as was previously mentioned. However, that advantage vanishes when the oil control valve malfunctions because the intake and exhaust valves might open or close at the wrong times. You will observe an increase in fuel consumption over time. Poor acceleration. The engine will not accelerate as quickly as usual. There won't be enough strength to climb hills or accelerate rapidly. Sometimes you have to floor it to avoid an accident, even though you might not think it's that big of a deal. There isn't much you can do without that power. Check engine light. The check engine light will always illuminate. The onboard diagnostic system will set a code. If the issues you are observing are connected to the OCV and its associated VVT solenoid, this code will show it. It is possible to classify DTC-P08, P14, P17, and DTC-P06DD as related codes. The car may be driven short distances, but as with all check engine light on events, it needs to be seen by a service technician right away for remedial action. What is an oil control valve and how does it work? Cam control mechanisms that change cam position with respect to the engine crankshaft are responsible for adjusting the valve timing in the majority of modern automobile engines. These systems work by using the engine lubrication system's easily accessible oil flow. This is how it occurs. This system has an additional advantage. The oil control valve increases lubrication and cooling oil flow to the timing chain and related sprockets by directing a constant flow of oil to these components. What causes the VVT solenoid and OCV to go bad? The VVT solenoid is electrically powered as signaled by the ECU. The VVT solenoid may stop working due to any malfunction in this circuitry or system. Furthermore, an internal electrical malfunction may cause the solenoid to operate sporadically or not at all. The OCV uses engine oil, and in order to operate properly, it needs clean oil. Sludge and/or varnishes, sticky deposits, may accumulate in this valve if oil and filter changes are not performed on a regular basis, as recommended by your owner's manual. Its function may be slowed down or blocked by this contamination. Additionally, even though this valve is rather straightforward, it could malfunction due to an internal mechanical issue. An inline oil screen is frequently installed before the valve oil inlet in OCV installations. Sludge or dirt can obstruct this screen entirely or partially. This obstruction may impede the OCV's flow and result in its malfunction. Clean oil is crucial once more. Regular filter and engine oil changes can help avoid this kind of issue. Can you drive with a faulty oil control valve? If this valve isn't working, you can still drive, but you shouldn't go very far. It is highly advised that you visit your local dealer or repair shop as soon as possible. And this is because the oil screen or OCV may be blocked entirely or in part. Lubrication of the cam sprockets and chains will slow down or stop if this occurs. This may cause the cam sprocket and chain to wear down quickly before failing. Repairing the resulting damage could be very expensive. Replacement cost. The cost of replacing a VVT solenoid may include a diagnostic fee, labor, and the following part costs. Your mechanic's diagnostic fee could be anywhere from $65 to $100. On average, parts will probably cost between $50 and $250. The cost of labor to replace the VVT could be anywhere from $75 to $200. It is reasonable to anticipate paying between $210 and $550 for the entire job. More work might be necessary if there is evidence of contamination and sludge in the oil control valve or filter. This would entail changing the engine oil and filter, as well as cleaning the engine lubrication system. An additional $125 is estimated to be needed for this work, plus oil and a filter. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.